Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Now, this video wasn't planned. I was actually going to go to bed until I saw something, okay? So, just checking out on the market outlook for tomorrow, building a watch list for tomorrow, and what I do is I look at all of these ETFs. So, just a side note, I'll probably make a video on this later on, but I look at each of these sectors and I see which one of them are bullish. But then I came across IWM, and IWM, remember this one, we sniped IWM at the bottom, and it has been consolidating for a while now, since February. And I actually made a whole video on IWM and why small caps are the next rotations. Now the next step, what I do is I usually look at what stocks are inside that ETF. So I'll search up like IWM holdings, and I just search up these holdings, and the first thing I see is AMC. And then what I do is I look at AMC. Okay, so these are kind of like a basic idea of how I find my stocks. But what I was looking at was insane. Okay, we had this very nice ascending triangle, and I didn't see anyone posting any chart on Twitter or any Discord. It was literally by random. So I'm making this quick video on AMC. Why am I bullish on AMC? And again, AMC is a very high risk. Only put what you can afford to lose, and I'll be getting it as a lotto. So very risk free. Don't go in too deep. This is technical analysis, but again, more it leads on to the speculation. So what we have over here is we have a ascending triangle. Now, first thing, I'm not the type of guy to make videos on AMC, but remember, we caught the whole move on AMC. We were the first ones to get on AMC. If you guys see, January 24th, I was the first one, and if you were in any of the premium Discord channels before, I alerted it, and it was over a 500% gain on Discord, and we had leaps. Okay, so 500% on just on leaps. So this is actually, I think, my second time making. I did make another AMC video, and again, that AMC video was a fail because again, we had a very nice ascending triangle right over here. But again, I said if we break the resistance, okay, is when I'm getting calls, but we did not. And eventually this was supposed to be the stop loss if you did get in, but I never played it. But this one looks very nice. Okay, again, we have a ascending triangle. Okay, so again, very simple. I try to make things very simple, very easy to understand. So all in return, I'm asking you to just hit that like button, because our goal is 3,000, our next goal. Okay, so again, ascending triangle, we have the two supports right over here. Okay, and then we have the resistance, and then again, third time is the charm. Again, I try to keep my alerts as simple as possible. Third time is the charm for AMC. Now, what is our price target? Now, usually the price target, again, I keep are usually wicks or another resistance. So let's look at the chart. So let's look at ours. So I'm looking at this right over here. These are going to be my two price targets. I'm also going to be looking at volume on the 5-minute, and as long as if we don't gap up, we're looking gold. We're looking good, I mean. But again, we need to hold this resistance. We need to hold this 47 level. Now, another thing to keep in mind is, obviously psychology. 50. Okay, that 50 price target, if we break out 50, is going to be huge for AMC. If we hit 50, I'm going for 55, okay, as the price target. And again, this is usually called a breakaway gap right over here. So we kind of had this breakaway gap. Volume is decent. Okay, it's above average. How I look at volume is I add this, okay, the volume indicator, and then I go to settings and I add the MA. So as you can see, right over here, so volume MA, and I can see that it is above average volume. Now, not just AMC, I'm looking at the whole small cap sector. Another big stock is B big, okay, BBIG, okay. We have a very nice ascending triangle. Now, I'm liking this one more. First, it's cheaper. Second, we have a very, very nice wick. Third, since it's cheaper, we're going to be getting in more volume. Okay, we already have very nice volume, and this thing looks like it is going to run more. So B big is going to be on watch. I've been also watching Clover. Okay, so Clover has this gap which I'm watching. Okay, if we break this, I'm entering in to play this gap fill. Please set alerts. I'm liking this volume. Okay, so the only concern is as long as if we don't gap up, because again, I just saw this tonight. I was going to bed. So as long as if we don't gap up, I think we're good. Okay. So overall, very simple video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, and then subscribe to me on YouTube. Again, very simple content. That PayPal play killed it. We had a lot of people taking it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys made profit, just make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.